graduated from Singapore Management University, where I got a degree in economics and another one in business management, where I majored in quantitative finance. What really impressed me about CMC's Masters in Finance program was that firstly, the class sizes were really small. Like our class size is about 20, so you get to interact directly with the professors. And then the other part was that I saw a 100% placement rate after graduation, and I thought that was really attractive. Coming from Singapore, I was a little bit surprised and very impressed by the sort of international network that CMC has. And even like there's actually a lot of alumni in Asia as well as Singapore. Basically, I felt really welcomed when I joined CMC, and the support that the alumni network gave to me when I reached out to them was really impressive. I mean, I didn't expect alumni to be responsive to my emails or even, ask how is your job search going, do you need any help? So basically, that's the kind of help that the alumni network is able to provide to you as an international student. I think coming to CMC helped me in terms of career prospects, in the sense that it gave me a very international sort of perspective on the sort of financial markets, as well as just on the personal level that I've broadened my horizons by coming here. Apart from that, the career guidance that Robert Day School has given me has prepared me very well in terms of preparing for interviews, as well as learning how to go about a job search. So in that sense, I think that CMC has prepared me pretty well in terms of trying to get a career in finance, and then I'm confident that it's going to help me in my future career prospects. I think you should definitely come to Robert Day School at CMC because firstly, the small class sizes that you get and the close interaction you get with the professors. Secondly, because of the caliber of people that RDS recruits, then you get to mix with people who are really good. And then thirdly, you should definitely come because of the alumni network as well. You will never get this sort of support from alumni at anywhere else.